So, hello and welcome back to another episode of HW Blue. Today, again, we will be trying to use AI generated images to get the idea for our product design. So, this time we'll be doing it on Solidworks, and today I'll try to do it, and Vijay will be there to help me out if I'm stuck somewhere. So, this will be done in real time. So, pardon me if there are any glitches or repetitions. Like I said previously also that this is not a standard tutorial where everything goes right in first step. This is a real time recording which we are trying to do. So hope you will try to take out something out of it. So as you can see on a window that we have the images from the previous window which we did uh, for SketchUp. So today also we'll try to make table lamp, but this time we'll try to make it on uh, SketchUp or sorry, SolidWorks. So I'm trying to find some more new ideas and I'll select one out of it. Then we'll try to make it in SolidWorks. Let's see how it looks. So yeah, I personally like to do um this one. This looks like what should I say?
Yeah,
This looks like an armed person. Like this looks like a cap of it, cap, and
yeah, I can understand it.
this is the face, like the person who's holding and what do the like a military person or some armed forces.
Yeah, I can imagine something.
Yeah. So I would like to try. I would like to try to do this, and let's see how it goes. I hope it will be worth your time. So let's start. So here we are. Now we will try to make this lamp in a 3D model. Let's see how it goes. So let's start. So as we see, it's kind of a helmet on top of a bulb. Let's try. So what should we do? I think we should make use the revolve command first. So let us try using that. I think this one is it has slight angle, right? So we will
Yeah,
make it
right.
like, so let's first define the angle itself. Round it off to 95. Okay. So,
Yeah, 95 is right. Good.
and how much it should be? I guess 100 mm
I guess
should be okay. 100
100
mm.
m is too much, I think.
For a lamp, I think no. 100 mm is like 10 centimeters. Let's see how it goes. Otherwise, we can always modify it.
Yeah, right.
It's a lamp, like it has got a big bulb inside it. So, okay. Now, select and close. Now, we revolve it. Feature, revolve. Okay. What we missed is we didn't do the axis. So we go to it again and then we create an axis. Save it once. AI lamp. Let's save it here. AI lamp.
Yeah,
Okay. So now let's use revolve base. So it is asking that it is telling us because it's an open sketch. So either it can close the sketch itself, or if we say no, let's see what happens. It will still revolve it, but it will consider it some thickness, which we can change. So that's why I kept it open. So let's say 5 mm, maybe it's too much. Yeah. So we have got it like this. Now we see this curve over here. So now
Yeah.
we need to do this curve. How should we do it? We should make a cut. Should we do it? Let's try sketching it. Actually, it has got very nice curve like this. Any ideas, Vijay, how can we do this? Right?
I believe we can make one slot. After that, we can do circle. After that, we can do circular pattern.
Circular pattern, right? Right. Let's try that. So let's make the
Maybe we
slot.
can draw some circle or ellipse.
Let's see if it works. So it should be at the center of it. Give some dimensions to it. Okay. So we can do it like this. Or or we can do it like this as well. We
Yeah,
can
sure. We can do that.
let's try this way first. Okay, again it's an open sketch. So we need to close it first. But it is still undefined. What is not defined? Okay, the center is free. Give some dimension to this also.
Okay, now it is defined.
Extrude cut. Let's do through all both. Okay, through all line. Actually, with zero thickness, it always has some issue. I think we did something wrong with the sketch. Yeah, yeah, this is what we did wrong. Actually, this should be like this. Now we do extrude cut. So it is cut. Now
Yeah.
let's try
We can give
pattern.
some fillet also for
Yeah,
to the edges.
that was I was thinking too. Let's do circular pattern. So we selected this as an axis.
Yeah.
So
Right.
now we increase it. This looks just right, like this, or maybe this.
Okay.
Okay, now we fillet it. So I don't know. Maybe we will have issues. Let's see. So let's try increasing it. It
20
was
or 15.
10 is just right. Yeah, it has got like almost the same look, right?
Yeah. Right.
It's
Now we
circular.
can pattern it. Wow, now it looks okay. It looks good.
I mean, of course, we have got more number of curves. I think we should have the same number of curves, then it will look better. So how much it have? One, two, three. We see three this side, the three maybe other side, and one on each side. So I think there should be eight. How many we have done? You've done 11. Let's make it eight. Maybe we need to increase the size of it. We need to
Yeah,
roll it back.
increase the radius.
Right?
Yeah, right.
Let's correct the fillet now.
Okay.
Now
Now it looks
it's
almost
look
similar.
kind of similar. Maybe we need to increase the height a bit. 200. We need to reduce it to 92. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of same. I think we should change it back to, wow, why it's gone wrong? Oh, this is something new.
We need to remove the geometry pattern.
Let's try it again. Choose circular pattern. What went wrong? Some geometric
Not
errors there.
tracing.
To 8. Okay, now it should work. There must be some kind of geometric error. Actually, this happens when we do it unprepared. So we didn't
Yeah,
practice it
right.
earlier, but it's fine. That's what happens in real time. So, okay, so now we have done till here. Now we do the upper part of it. Let's make the small bowl. So we use the center plane, which is the front plane. That looks just like. So let's give it 25 or something. This is still blue, means it's not defined. Okay, it can go like this. So let's make this. Okay, this is the axis. So yeah, now it is. I think it to revolve it, maybe we need just the half circle. Trim it. Revolve. 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 Okay. So
Yeah, right, sir.
now this has got the cap part. Now we come to this area, right?
Yeah, right.
Right. So this is quite simple. Let's do it. It's a separate. We can make it a separate part and assemble it, or we can let's do it in one part only.
Yeah,
Maybe
we
we
need
can
do that.
we can have different bodies. Then it will be easier for scaling as well. So making a center line again. So now we need this. No, now we need this part.
Yeah,
So yeah, okay, we correct it. So we have this. I think it'll better we redraw it. Sometimes it's very messy. Okay, so now we make an arc. Let's add some dimensions to it. From the top, maybe. How much height we need? 400, 80, 30, and 20. Make it 60. Okay, so let's make it 20. This is not actually getting correct shape. It should be like this. Let's correct it.
we can get fillet.
No, actually, fillet is one thing, but the curve is not very right.
Yeah,
Now we are getting
mm,
near. And we can increase the height of it. This height we can increase. And this maybe 500. Yeah, slightly we are there. 130 and let's do it 180. Yeah, this looks just right.
yeah, right.
Now we revolve it again and we have the base. Now we do these support strips.
Mhm.
So I think we need 8 of these. So let's use the front plane again to sketch, or actually we need to join these projections. So if
Okay.
we draw it in front plane, that may not work. If we draw in any other plane, it will not work. We have to make it up on a plane which is going through it, through the projection.
Yeah, right.
But front plane is not going through the projection, and the right plane also is not going through the projection. So maybe we need to make another plane. So
Yeah,
to
right.
do that, first make let's come out of this. First make a axis. So not right. So we have selected to. Now we have got an axis. So how much will be the angle of this? So 360 divided by 8, that becomes 40. So we should have at an angle, have a plane at 40 degree divided by 2. So that let's do it. So first reference will be this, second reference will be this, and this we need at an angle which is will be 20. So now you see this plane is actually through the center of
Yeah.
this. Now we use this because it is selected already. We, anyways, orientation doesn't matter, but let's try doing this. So now it is at the center of it. We can
Mm.
make a cross section to see it properly where we are going. So now let's start making it. We do another arc, and maybe one more arc, join it here. Now you see it's not snapping. To do that, maybe we can come out of section view and turn it to wireframe view. Then maybe we will be able to snap it. Okay, we are still in section view.
Maybe we can do projections. We can use projections.
Okay. Actually, it will.
Convert entities. We can use convert entities, I think.
If I select this and if I select this face, will it help convert entities? Yeah, that we can do. But I want it in here, like at this point.
Mm.
I don't know if it will snap. Make coincident. Okay, it worked.
Okay.
But it is going in some other. I think there's an error with the plane. 1 second, I did a calculation mistake. It should not be 40. So if we divided 36 by 8, how much we get? Let's use calculator. 360 divided by 8, that is 45 divided by
45,
2. So the angle of the plane should be 22.5. That's why
20%.
we have this error. So let's correct this. 22.5. Now it is actually at the center of it.
Yeah.
Right? Now we see, now it is actually constrained and actually where we wanted it to be. So now we can give all the other, and we can have this one also coincident. Make pairs. Okay, now we can add some more dimension to it. Okay, let it be. But what has happened? It has gone on the other side. We need to delete that. It should be on this side. Let's redo this. Wow. This is what happens. Go to sketch. Let's see if it snaps. Now it snaps. Now we select these two arcs,
Engine.
tangent. This one should be tangent to this as well. And we can have these two also tangent. So they can join beautifully. And if
Mm.
we want, let's make them equal. And with just one dimension, we can control it. Say 140. So now what we do, since these are strips, so let's, we can either extrude it, we can either revolve it. But
I think
to,
revolve it. We can revolve it.
yeah, let's revolve it. So, okay, we did the same mistake. We didn't do the axis of rotation. Let's select the sketch first and then we revolve this. No? Okay, now we can do, make it mid plane and maybe 5 degree. Yeah, this works, right?
Yeah.
And maybe thickness should be less, 1 mm, because it should be made out of sheet metal. And we can have this. It looks just right, huh?
Mm, I think with there's something wrong with the base.
No, actually, it is revolving it, no? So that's why there's unequal. You
Yeah, I
see,
understand.
yeah, it's fine. I think we should have some overlap here. Then it will look more realistic.
Yeah.
It's exact, and we try to add. Let's add a line directly to it.
Maybe we can change the direction of the extrusion. Is it possible?
Which direction? This one.
Yeah.
Actually, we want to have it like this. You see, it looks like it is going underneath.
Oh, right.
That's why I'm doing it. Yes, we can do one thing. Instead of revolve, we can actually use extrusion. I think that will look, well, that will make it the thickness same from top to bottom. Let's
We
delete
can try it.
the, and then we use the same sketch and we do the extrusion instead. Made a plane, thickness 1 mm. Yeah, this is comparatively,
Yeah, this looks better.
yes. We can actually increase the thickness, but let's leave it like this. Now we do the circular pattern. Now we are
Wow.
almost there. If we want to see it, I know there is some issue with the scaling. If we look at this, this is kind of stretched upwards. Just try to solve it. I hope things will not go bad. Wow.
It's giving errors.
Let's see. Okay, there's just one error. I think we can manage with that. I knew this would happen, but yeah, this can be managed. And I think we can increase the base size also. This double click editing I like the most. So this is kind of perfect. I think I should keep them side by side.
Yeah, that will be helpful.
Yeah. So now we have it. like this. So
Hmm. Right.
it's kind of similar, but not same. Let's do some more modification to it. Okay. The base is not very good, right? This area is not matching, certainly. So let's increase. Up till here, we are kind of there. Yeah, the width of it is not matching. That's because, okay.
I think we need to remove that radius, that bottom radius.
Let me see, try. If I increase it to say 60, how will it look? This is the problem what I have with. I can't rebuild it because I don't see the. Wow. Where is the rebuild tool?
We need to maximize the window
Okay.
first.
Okay. So now it has got there. I think 50 would be adequate. Right. And if we increase it to 450, no,
I
420.
think 400 would be.
Yeah. Now this is kind of, and now we increase it to 120. Yeah. Now this is kind of same scale. See?
That 180 we can we reduce
Yeah,
it?
that I'll do. That I have in my mind. Maybe we should reduce it. Yes. Actually, this one thing we did wrong in this. This
That
curve should
profile
not.
is not correct.
Yeah, this profile is not correct. First, correct this. How much we can do it if we do it 100. I hope there's no error.
Yeah, that looks better.
That looks much better, right? If we do
Yeah,
it 80, there will be an error. No, this is much better, right? So I think the major issue is with this area, right? So let's correct that. Actually, it should not be like this. It should be like this.
yeah, now is right.
And this one can be like 100. Yeah.
We could have traced it also.
Yeah. I just wanted to, yeah, tracing is one thing, but this is actually not a perfect orthographic view. Like, so that, yeah, but still we could have traced it. You're right. Next time we will try tracing. So we will not have these scaling issues.
Yeah, right.
You're right. Tracing would have been much easier and we would have done it much faster.
Okay, now it looks much better.
Yes. Now it is not 100% match, but it is, we are almost there, right? So now let us make the bulb inside it. Maybe we can increase the thickness of it. I hope it will not look bad. Let's try doing it. Where's the thickness? There. So let's increase it to 20. I hope it doesn't come out of the top part. Ah, you're kind of there, right?
Yeah, right.
We should do it 15. Yeah. Let's try putting some color to it first. Instead of giving the color to the whole part, we will give it to the body so that we can give the different color to the filament also, the bulb, I mean. So it's green first thing, and it is dark green. Turn very much black. Okay, let's leave it like this. Is it green? I think it's bluish.
Yeah, it's bluish.
Yeah. Okay, let's leave it like this. It is looking good. Let's quickly make a bulb which can gracefully fit inside it.
Is it possible for us to create that glass, circular glass?
The bulb,
Not the bulb, that outer body of the bulb.
I think
Outer body
we
means, yeah, that part.
here,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, glass we can create, but I think we need not to have that glass. I mean, it looks
Okay.
like there is a glass, but even if we put the bulb inside it, it will still look good,
Yeah,
right?
I
Let's
see.
try doing the bulb first. Okay, so this is an ESM which I have created. AI lamp. Now we do another part bulb. So we'll not do the filament. We'll just do a plain bulb. Of course, it will look good with a filament, but that might take further much more time. Or we can create a new tutorial just for bulb also, right? Some other day.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Let's use slot. Add dimensions. I'm just giving some random dimension so that we'll modify these once we are there. Okay, why it is asking for it? 50. I think we will. Let's see if we can revolve it like this. I don't know. It doesn't work. Wow. So we have to give the dimensions again. What is left? Okay. To make it vertical. What is left? Okay. Make it tangent. This one also will be tangent. Now where it is free. Okay, let's put it here. Okay. Now we revolve it. Actually, it looks like a capsule. It should have a flat top, I guess. Edit it. Or we can do a simple cut if needed. Cut plane, sketch.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm here actually. Sorry, I was on.
Okay.
Let's try fitting this. I think we can do one thing. We can make this different material. So to do that, we should, I think we need to modify this sketch also. Does it look right?
Yeah, I'm satisfied with it.
Okay. Okay. Let's put it in. But,
Okay.
I'm calling the, I think we should make the base also.
Let us
Because,
first give the weights first.
yeah, you're right. But okay, let's first give the mate. Okay. This will not work.
Circular.
Okay.
Now we can modify the dimensions.
So yeah, kind of there now, right?
Yeah,
The
right.
the bulb is not so good, but still it works. I mean, we just wanted to show you that this is the way, but next time we can do something more interesting. Okay, now some error has come up. Check this, make it back 100. Let's see if we can quickly render it.
We can give some texture to the bulb also.
Yeah,
Glossy
that's
texture.
so the this one we can call it copper material, copper, and the
Yeah.
this one we can change to what? Edit material, some kind of plastic, right?
Yeah, right.
So maybe let's give it PTFE. I know that's not a bulb material, but just for sake of appearance, let's see how it looks
Are
now.
there any glossy texture? Are there any glossy texture?
Actually, yeah, glass there. Let's see if I can change the material to glass. I'm not sure if we actually glass will look like empty from
Generate glass
inside.
fibers. Yeah.
So that's why. Let's see. Okay, let's see how it comes. So here we are. Let's see how it looks with rendering.
If we give yellow color to the bulb,
Yellow color.
the yellow color. Mm.
Okay, I think that's fine. Okay, so now we are almost done with this part. So yeah, we couldn't do rendering today, but we will try do rendering also in future. There was some issue with our installation. Maybe we need to reinstall the software. But I hope it must have given you some ideas how can we use AI for our design purpose also. So this is some random um, uh, concept given by AI, and we made a product out of it. And this is actually so cool that I am thinking of getting it actually produced for my home actually. So at least I can do it for my personal use. This is actually looking very cool.
Yeah.
So I hope you people liked it. If you, I know this is not a very well prepared because we directly recorded it without any preparation. We wanted it to be very raw, and this may be something not which you are expecting from us. But if you still think it is good to go ahead like this, please leave your comments. Please give us feedback so that we can try something new. This is not a typical standard tutorial. This is just a real time designing what we do, like everyone we do. So we do, then we make mistakes, then we correct them, then we make mistakes, and after several iterations, we reach to a conclusion. So that is what we have tried to show you here. So I hope you must have got something out of it. Thank you. See you in the next video.
Thank you guys.